I'm going to turn this into this 6 months later. I'll show you how. Welcome back to our channel, guys and gals. Today I'm showing you how to turn this so when you break it off, you don't just throw it away. You can actually plant these. And in about a year and a half, 2 years time, you'll have pineapple growing from it. So let's get started. Alright, in the beginning of in the video, I showed you the plant outside that's like 6 months old now. It started the same way. Started with a ripe, good old ripe, you can see how ripe it is, pineapple. And so what we're going to do is we're going to break the top off like we do when we get a pineapple. And just work it back and forth. Okay. We're going to use this later on. We're going to cut it and slice it into pineapples. Oh, it smells so good. Fresh pineapple, y'all. But right now, we're focusing on this beauty. So what we're going to do now is start peeling back leaves. I'll put this here. You want a good several layers of leaves off of there so that you can actually see any roots. Of course, they'll be dried up and everything, but that's okay. I hope everybody's having a great day today. It is still hot in Florida, but we're making do. It's not as hot as it's been being. That was ridiculous with the temps in the 100 and teens for the longest time with no rain around here. Alright, so keep peeling. Just work your way around. And eventually you'll see some of the roots. If it's got roots, and I'm sure it does. So when we get ready, I'll be back. And as you see, I'm already putting toothpicks in. This is just one way of doing it. You can go ahead and put it in a pot of loose potting soil and keep it watered and everything. But I just like to put mine in a glass of water for a little while to see these roots develop before I even try to put it in the ground. I just like success like that. So now that we got this done, I got an old jar that I use for this purpose, so I've got toothpicks to keep it sitting up above the water. And how you want to water this is you're going to water in the middle of the plant. And that keeps the leaves moist. And when the water runs out, you just simply add more water. So I'm going to add more water because I need to bring the water level to the bottom, from the bottom to the top up some. Try to get this setting up a little bit better. Okay. I'll work with that later. But you see the purpose. You can take this, and in about 2 weeks, if that, you can even see the roots starting to grow, and you can go ahead and put it in the pot and grow it like you saw out there. Keep it in water for a little while. Just make sure that you water the leaves up top in here. In the middle section is where you keep water. Pour water in the middle. So that's how easy that was. You can take not only pineapples from the store, you can take green onions, a bunch of green onions from the store, and bring that in and use what you need, and then either stick them in a glass of water and let the roots get a little bit bigger, what have you. Oh, see, it fell. Or go ahead and put them in a pot or a bucket or whatever you might want to put it in. But there's a lot of kitchen scraps you can use and actually start this way right here in the water and then transfer, and you can grow like celery and stuff like that. So there you have it. There's a little short video today just showing you how you can plant a pineapple. You might have to work with it, especially if you're putting it in the water like this to get it level, which I'll be working with in a minute. But I just wanted to bring this to you. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. If you got any tips for anybody in the comments, leave them there. I'll see you on the flip side. God bless.